Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing one of the big dumplings. I think they're called scrunchum or something. I don't know.
Does it say that? Seriously?
Scrunchum? Yeah, they're called scrunchums. So let's open that. So our options are blue, yellow, or pink.
Yeah, pink.
I'm really hoping for such a pretty color. So let's see what we get. Oh, so cute!
Okay, it's yellow though.
That's okay. It's so cute.
It's yellow.
It's so cute.
It is pretty cute though.
Oh, there's a face. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.